Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Windrose game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, or not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Windrose game and then select properties. Now in the general tab under the launch options, type -dx12 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. This fixes all the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes. So right click on Windrose game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first click on this Windrose exe file and try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. If not, then open the R5 folder, open the binaries folder, open the Win64 folder, and here you will see Windrose Win64 shipping exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatible tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then try to launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then untick run this program as an administrator and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down here select Windows 8 and also check mark disable full screen optimization option. Then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Windrose game crashing or crashes to desktop or not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.